Is TinyTask really a virus? That's one of the most common questions I see in the comments, and many people avoid downloading it because Windows or their antivirus displays a warning. So in this quick video, we are going to verify everything step by step using official information and security checks. By the end of this video, you will know whether TinyTask is safe to use and how to download it with a confidence. So let's start with the biggest reason people think TinyTask is a virus. TinyTask records your keyboard and mouse actions so it can replay them later. Because it monitors keyboard input, some antivirus programs classify its behavior as similar to keylogger or an automation tool. This is known as behavior based or heuristic detection. That doesn't automatically means that the program is malicious. It simply means the software performs actions that security programs consider sensitive. So they alert you as a precaution. Now let's verify that we have downloaded 100% correct and official TinyTask that hasn't been modified after the download. The TinyTask website publishes a SHA-256 hash for the latest version. I will compare the hash of my download file with the published value. If both value matches exactly, it means the file on my computer is identical to the published file and hasn't been changed after the download. Open PowerShell as an administrator, click Yes to the USC. Here I have TinyTask file in my download folder. To navigate to download folder correctly, let's go to this PC, C drive, users, my own users, and here I want to navigate to download. Now here, just go ahead and copy this path. Before running that command, we want to navigate to this path. In the PowerShell, type cd space, now type two quotation and paste it inside this. Now here is the one command that we want to use, that is get file hash for TinyTask latest version, that is 1-77exe. For your confirmation, you could see the TinyTask file name is same in the file explorer and the PowerShell. Now here, let's press enter. Now here you could see that we got the same hash result for the TinyTask file that we have downloaded. It's the same in our PowerShell as well as over the official website. So here we could verify that this TinyTask file is not a suspicious file and it's not being converted to anything suspicious. Now the next quick step is to scan the file with Windows Defender Security. Even after verifying the file hashes, it's always a good idea to let your antivirus inspect the file before running it. This gives you an additional layer of protection and is a good habit whenever you download software from the internet. So you could see here, I'm scanning it with my normal Windows Defender and the file doesn't contain any of the viruses. Now that we have verified the file and completed a security scan, let's go ahead and run the TinyTask. Since TinyTask is a portable application, there is nothing to install. Simply open the executable file and you are ready to start using it. If you are looking to download the TinyTask, this is the current website where you can get the latest version. As you have seen, the older download link is no longer working for many users. So this is the source many users are using today. In this video, we have looked why TinyTask may trigger security warnings, verified the file using its SHA-256 hash, and checked it before running it. Based on those verification steps, there is no evidence that TinyTask file we have checked is a virus. I hope this video helped clear up the confusions. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.